Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the features that make WSL run. Open an elevated PowerShell, run the commands to enable Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux, and reboot when prompted. Once done, install a Linux distro, either from the store or with WSL install, which handles kernel updates and distro provisioning for you. Make sure your Windows build meets requirements. This reduces errors later. Now that the distro exists, keep it running so we can link it to Windows Terminal in the next step. Open Windows Terminal and Access Settings. Use the UI or Open Profiles. JSON for manual edits. Add a new profile where the command line is WSL. EXED your distro name so the terminal launches that distro directly. Configure a recognizable name, pick an icon, and set starting directory if you want a specific path. You can also bind a key binding to launch this profile. These choices control how Windows Terminal spawns WSL and make your workflow consistent across sessions. So set them once and reuse them. Finish by saving settings and optionally setting your WSL profile as the default profile or pinning it to the dropdown for fast access. If the profile won't start, run WSL update to ensure the kernel is current and WSL set default version 2 to use the recommended backend, then reboot. Also verify virtualization is enabled in BIOS and that Windows features like Hyper-V aren't blocked. If you still see errors, restart the LXSS Manager service or re-register the distro, and then try launching from Windows Terminal again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.